14 days, not 21 years. Well, you may well remember, if you had the good fortune to be down in Gravesend, it was 18 degrees Celsius. I nearly went riding in Scotland in a T-shirt. Well, I'm afraid all of that is going to be but a distant memory, because over the next few days we carry on the same sort of theme that we've had in the first part of the week. It is going to stay very cold with wind coming out of the north. There will be some snow, not exclusively for these areas, as you'll see in just a second, but that's where we're going to see the best of it. And then some nighttime frosts as well, and some icy stretches on untreated roads. The wind is absolutely piling out of the north at the moment. Gale force across the north of Scotland, as you see in a second. And as we get towards the end of the week, yes, more wind, but still coming from the north. And a pretty good opportunity in most areas of having a nighttime frost as well. You see the extent of the blues there, just giving that indication of how widespread those frosty conditions are going to be. Now, in the first part of the day, we saw quite a bit of cloud with some rain, sleet and snow across the northern half of the British Isles, and the general progression is to drag that further south as the day progresses. Following on behind, somewhat clearer skies for southern parts of Scotland, maybe Northern Ireland later on. But to the north of that, we've still got those wintry conditions. To the south, well, the rain will come to you as the afternoon goes on. Rather patchy, it has to be said. But the very worst of those wintry conditions, undoubtedly across the north and northeast of Scotland. Gale force winds, blizzard conditions there, and a bitterly cold day in prospect. Towards the south, no sunshine, rather miserable, 7 or 8 at best. Now, overnight, we take that band of weather ever further towards the south, clearing skies. We keep the showers going in the north, wintry at that, and a widespread frost as well. But at least with those clear skies, we get away to a decent start across many parts to start off the day. Still those wintry showers in the north, perhaps just more cloud than today, getting into Northern Ireland and eventually tumbling that little bit further south with the odd fleck of sleet or snow there on what is going to be another cold day. 2, 3, 4, 5 degrees widely across the British Isles. And then on Thursday, keep that wintry theme going in your head, but we just bring something in perhaps across these western areas, Northern Ireland, Wales, down into the southwest of England. It could be watery, but it could be wintry, so just bear that in mind across this southwestern quarter. Elsewhere, as I say, that rather sort of wintry theme continues with wintry showers across the north and east. Temperatures never better than 4, 5 or 6 degrees, so don't be too far from your thermals. Sophie.